welcome back to the Daya Daily. So today I have my friend Peyton here. Hi. And today we are doing like Christmas looks. She's like an elf and I'm like Mrs. Claus. It's getting so close to Christmas. I cannot wait for Christmas.
Yeah.
She wants me to get her Starbucks.
Yeah. And chocolate covered strawberries.
And Milky Ways.
Yeah.
Guys, what do you want for Christmas? Go answer on my Instagram, the Daya Daily, what you want for Christmas. I want a cotton candy machine. I told them what you wanted. Oh, and she wants a phone. I got one for my birthday. But
I know I'm getting one because my dad is being really weird, so I just know it.
But anyways, let's get on to this video so we can show you how to get these awesome, cute looks. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get started. Woo, 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 woo. All right, guys, let's get started. So, I'm gonna start with the foundation.
Oh, so am I.
I'm making sure this is my color first.
Oh my, wow, this is not my color.
That's why I check.
Wait, is this my color? No.
We're gonna fix this color. We'll be back.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Makeup.
Yep. Have your face is so dark.
I know. Yeah, guys, I wear makeup to school. What?
We're back. That was a real
Ew!
I was fake sneezing on her before the video.
And I got mad at her. But it was just a one. This is how you gotta do it, guys. You go plop, get a little. There you go.
Is this good? Can you help me? I'm gonna help her.
Okay, guys, so we finished. I look beautiful.
I did that.
I did most of it. Oh my, look at how pretty my blue line is.
Okay, now I'm doing powder.
Same.
Let me use this one. Why on me? You don't need to talk. Why is my hair all frizzy all of a sudden? Look at it. It's sticking to my face. It's not coming off. No, my forehead's really white. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna do my foundation.
You already did your foundation.
I mean, my eyeshadow. Nixon and Blitzen and all this reindeer pulling on the reins.
Oh, I can do that dance. It's actually a TikTok. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Nixon and Blitzen and all his reindeer
Pulling on the reins. So what I'm doing is I'm first blending, I'm doing the red, and it's going on my lid. She's never been to a vending machine. She's a weirdo.
She's a weirdo.
Guys, I have the hiccups. Don't blame me, please.
Ladies, if you see me at Walmart or Target, I'm always going to be there, so just come say hi, please.
I'm the more famous one.
Ow!
Okay. We're gonna finish our eyeshadow and we'll be back.
Hello, guys. So
Okay.
we're back.
We're done. Well, we're not done with the look.
Okay, so now I'm going to work on my mascara. I'm using 3 different kinds.
I'm using one so it's not complicated for you guys.
I'm using this Buxom. I don't know what this one's called.
I'm gonna use the Big Shot mascara so it's not complicated for y'all. There we go. And now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Guys, I wanna show you how cute. I'm gonna pull out a special thing. Look at how cute, it's all pink and glittery.
Now, I just use that purple
Whoa,
one.
look at
and
this
I'm using
curl.
this gold one. You're totally crap.
I'm gonna do some blush now. I'm gonna use this one right here.
And now I'm gonna move on to the lipstick. Where? Right here. So I'm using the Revlon.
Oh yeah. Will you hurry, please?
I'm sorry. I grabbed this. I'm taking as long as I can.
Cowboy, take me away. I have a beautiful voice, so does
You
Bacon.
should hear mine though.
Well, while she's doing her lipstick forever, I'm gonna do highlighter.
Go follow me on TikTok, please.
How are they gonna follow you on TikTok if they don't know what your account name is?
Hate Christians. They didn't even hear that. Peyton Christensen!
Oh, look at my fingers. I should do a TikTok. I used to be so beautiful.
We should do the Here Comes Santa Claus.
Yeah!
I can teach you. Go follow her on TikTok. And,
It's the Day Daily.
and mine is Peyton Christian.
All right, guys. So we finished our looks. Do we look pretty? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm so glad that Peyton could do it with me.
She's a good friend.
Okay, well anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to go check out my Day Daily t-shirts because they're really comfortable.
She's getting one for my sister's birthday because she really wants her to come.
So again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Welcome back to Day Daily.
No, this is not the intro.
I'm her best friend. Like, yeah. Oh wait, this isn't the intro?
No.
Hello guys, welcome back to
It's not the intro.
How do I mix?
Got one of these.
Move, so I can get one. Huh? It's burn my lips.
Morphe.
Stop. We're using the.
You're not even in the frame.
Oh, hello. That's because I need to scooch it.
Why didn't you?
Okay, we're done. But throw it back.
Buxom.
Buxom. It's not working.
Okay.
Please don't cut that out. Please. Replay.